Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today, I am not doing an unboxing. I know that's different from my channel, right? Because I'm normally doing an unboxing. Today, I am doing a Ulta haul. I went shopping. Who's like me, you get really happy and giddy every time you go shopping and buy some makeup. This is me every time I get new makeup. So I bought new makeup. Obviously makeup that I do not need, but I mean, do we ever need new makeup? I don't think we'll ever need new makeup as like makeup junkies. But I mean, I bought it anyway because it makes me happy. So in life, do what makes you happy. Like you only have one life to live. So I'm going to show you guys what I bought today. But before I show you guys what I got, I just wanted to reintroduce myself to anyone new on my channel. If you are new to my channel, hello! My name is Aisha. I love makeup subscription boxes, so that is, I want to say, at least 80% of my videos is unboxings from all my makeup subscription boxes. I also unbox mystery boxes, and I do what I'm doing today. I do makeup hauls. Without further ado, let's see what I got. All right, so let's see here. So, I don't know if you guys know, but the Morphe Jeffree Star stuff is 50% off in Ulta. So I bought the palette when it was on sale on Ulta, I think when they had like that spring sale early on during quarantine, when like quarantine just started. If you guys want to see that, I did my Ulta haul. You can go back to my Ulta hauls and see that. But I didn't get the rest of the collection because like I felt like I didn't need it, even though I don't really need anything. But you know how it goes. You guys know. If you're on my channel, you guys know. You guys are makeup junkies just like me. We're in this together. So, but now that everything is 50% off, I said, hey, why not? Now, you guys know pink is my favorite color. So, I have tons of brushes, but I just love that these brushes were pink. So, I love the case. And these are the brushes. I love that all the brushes are pink, and I love Morphe's brushes. So now I have a whole set of pink brushes. So I think maybe these could be maybe my travel brushes. I don't know what I'm going to decide what I'm going to do with these because it's just so pretty. So I honestly don't even know how much I paid for this. But it was 50% off. But look at all the brushes you get. Wow, 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 wow. 50% off. So very excited for this. You guys know I love brushes. And then I bought the Morphe Jeffree Star setting spray because anything that Jeffree Star Morphe was all 50% off. So now I have the whole complete collection. I have the Sweetie Morphe collaboration. It's like an orange spray and it smells like peaches. This one is supposed to smell like, I want to say strawberry. So let me try this first impression. Oh my god, wow. What, that smells heavenly. Wow, this is truly, wow, that smells really good. Oh, and it says strawberry on the top. I didn't even see that. Wow, this smells really good. Wow. So I don't know if you guys ever tried the Morphe setting spray, but it's not a spray that you're going to feel like I feel like the Max Fix Plus, when you spray it, like you're like drenched. If you want that drenched look, you're not going to get it from this setting spray because it's very like a mist. You really feel it. But wow, that smells really good. Normally when I spray myself with any setting spray, I just take like a little powder and just just retouch up my nose because I don't like my nose to look shiny. There you go. See, remattify my nose. Everything else can be shiny or dewy looking, but I don't like my nose to look shiny. So yeah, very excited for that. 50% off. Also, I saw that the Clarisonic is going out of business. So, like, their stuff was 50% off too. But I already have a Clarisonic. I have the Mia, which is like the mini version of the Clarisonic, like the smaller one. And I have like extra brush heads. So I didn't really need anything. So I didn't get anything from them. All right. So what else did I get? So I heard that the Hoola Toasted Benefit Bronzer is like a good contour, color for my skin tone. So Hoola is the #1 seller, but Toasted is like one of their newer bronzers. So this is what it looks like. There's a mirror which I'm covering up. Did someone swatch this? No, I don't think it was swatched. It looks like a little bit, but I don't think so. I think I'm fine. So excited to try that Hoola Toasted Bronzer. And it comes with a little brush, which actually may be good because I'm going to be using it for my contour. I already have one. I have on the Too Faced, the chocolate contour palette. It's like 6 colors. Right, so I know I'm probably going to get some, like, what are you doing with this? Because you guys know I have sensitive eyes and I complain about the Duo glue because it irritates my eyes. However, so far this is the only glue that I've been that I found that actually stays on like really strong. It does bother my eyes. It still bothers my eyes, but I haven't found like a good glue that when I put it on, it just sticks right on and it doesn't like take out my lashes. So I'm stuck with that until I find a good glue that doesn't take out my lashes and keeps a firm hold. So, but do I like it? No, but I mean, until I find something good for my sensitive eyes, I'm still stuck with it. So I'm replenishing this. If you guys watch like my empties video, my empties like of the things that I bought that I finished, or like some of my hauls, my Ulta hauls, I love the Bare Pro foundation. This is the Bare Pro 24-hour performance liquid foundation. My color is Chai. And I absolutely love this foundation. As I said in a previous video, I used to work for MAC. I used to wear the Studio Fix Liquid Foundation. I think I still have, but like this is like, I like this a little bit better. So they do the same thing. It's a full coverage foundation. Also, it's like kind of like semi-matte, mostly like a matte finish. But I like that this is like a matte finish, but it doesn't leave your skin too matte, where it looks like heavier cakey. It looks a little bit more natural, but with that coverage. So I absolutely love this foundation. This is like my holy grail foundation. So I hope they don't ever discontinue this because I'm going to have to buy like a million of them because I love this foundation. And I never thought Bare Minerals would have a foundation that's full coverage. Because you think Bare Minerals, you think natural, but I'm telling you, this foundation is the truth. So I saw these. Now you guys know I love glitter, hence I have like all glitter backgrounds. Obsessed with glitter. You guys know pink is my favorite color. Oh my god, this looks so pretty. I cannot wait to try this. So this is an LA Girl glitter topper. This looks so pretty. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to try this. I'm trying this tomorrow. Nowhere to go but to work, but I'm going to be sparkling at work. I don't know how the LA Girl eyeshadows are. I did buy something I think a while back and it wasn't that pigmented, but this was new, so I thought I'd buy it. And I like the name. It says LA Girl Glitterholic, which is definitely me. And then I saw this color. It looks like a white clearish one and it has like blue flecks in it. So I thought this was so pretty. Let me see if I can take this one out the box because this one is hard to see. Okay. So they come in, it almost looks like a MAC eyeshadow a little bit. But these I think these you have to screw off and the MAC ones is like a flip cap. But look how pretty. Like this looks gorgeous. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell on camera, though. Let me see. Hold on. I don't think the camera serves it justice. Yeah, this is definitely not showing it like how pretty. Oh, there we go. Very pretty. See the sparkle? So very excited for that. So I got 2 sparkle shadows to try. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I got attacked by the eyeshadow. This eyeshadow is called Hollow Glam. And this eyeshadow is called Frenzy. Alright, so I am obsessed with the, I say NYX and people say NYX. It's whatever makes you happy. But I'm obsessed with their liners. I feel like they're very pigmented and they're very creamy and they're like dirt cheap. So whenever I go to Ulta or like whenever I go to the next store, I always buy these pencils in bulk. I like mostly like chocolate brown liners or like a plum liner because I feel like they go with everything. So these are like my staples. So I want to say the one that I use the most is Brown Brun. That's like a nice everyday brown. That's like my number one, if my first choice. And then I would say the Nude Truffle is like, it's a little bit lighter. So I wear this one a lot too. And then this one is Nutmeg, which is like a nice in between of both of the colors. And then this one is Mauve. So like when I do colors like these, I wear like a mauve-y liner. Today I have on Plum Lip Liner, but I would say this is like a little bit lighter than the liner I have on when I want to do like a little bit more of a natural line and not as defined. So I love the NYX lip pencils. I buy them. I have a brush, sorry. This is not a lip pencil. But easier. So I bought 4 of the lip pencils. As you can see, I do like them, or I wouldn't buy 4 different colors, but I just buy them in bulk. And I feel like lip liners are like scrunchies. You can never find it when you need it, or you can never find the color when you need it. So I always have multiples, triples, quadruples. So when I do need them, I could find them. So that's it. That's my haul. That was my Ulta haul. I hope you guys liked it. I just wanted to get something new. I just wanted to try some new stuff. So I just bought some stuff, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So if you enjoyed my video, can you guys do me a favor and give me a thumbs up to show me you liked my video? Also, if you're new and you're not subscribed to my channel, if you like makeup subscription boxes, I am your girl. I'm going to be your go-to for your makeup subscription boxes because I do lots of unboxings on this channel as well as mystery boxes. So show your girl some love and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you guys know every single time I upload a new video. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next unboxing.